Appliances purchased office furniture for a cost of $16,000. The furniture has an estimated life of 10 years and has an annual depreciation of $1,500. What is the salvage value of the furniture? Okay, so what are we being asked? We're being asked to solve for salvage value. Now, if you look at your equations, there isn't really one listed for salvage value. However, there is one for annual depreciation that includes salvage value. So remember, if you go and look at equations and you don't see one that gives you a solution for the particular variable that you're trying to solve for, look for one that includes the variable you're trying to solve for, because after all, you can always just rearrange the equation to suit your needs. Now in this case, although I didn't have one that explicitly solved for salvage value, I know I can rearrange this. Plus, I found one that included other terms that were listed in my problem, and that's always a good sign. So let's plug in what we know. You can see I've brought up the annual depreciation equation. I'm going to plug in what I know, and my goal is going to be to rearrange and solve for salvage value. So I'm told that the annual depreciation is $1,500. I'm told that the cost is $16,000. Now obviously I don't know what the salvage value is, that's what I'm trying to solve for. And I'm going to divide that by the estimated life, which in this case is 10 years, so I'll divide by 10. Notice that I've now set up a one variable equation. If I rearrange the variables, I can solve for salvage value. So I'll start by multiplying both sides of the equation by 10. The 10s will cancel out on this side, and that will leave me with 15,000 on the left-hand side. 15,000 is equal to 16,000 minus salvage value. If I subtract 16,000 from both sides of the equation, that will give me negative 1,000 is equal to negative salvage value. Obviously, I will divide by negative 1, and I'll find that my salvage value is equal to $1,000. So the reason I wanted to show you this example was just to point out again that if you're asked to solve for a term where you don't explicitly have a formula for it, find a formula that includes that variable and other variables or other terms mentioned in the problem.